Johnny Abiao, and I'm going to show you the computer set of a personal computer. This is the computer case. This is the monitor. This is the keyboard. This is the mouse. Then this is the speaker. Assume that your personal computer has open. You can see this in your computer monitor. Then click the Microsoft Word. Then you can see this like this in your monitor. You can see Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review, and View. In the Home, there are phone style, phone size. If you want your input to be bold, click this letter B, or for shortcut, Control B. Then if you want also to be italize the word, you have to click this letter I. Looks like letter I. Then if you want it to be underlined, just like for example this one, Johnny, your word, the word is Johnny. If you want that word Johnny to be underlined, press, and of course don't forget to highlight the word, then press the U1, this letter U. Then if you want this paper, no spacing, click the no spacing. If you want also it to be heading 1, click the heading 1. Next is, you can see the word insert. So click the insert word. You can see, if you want to insert some picture, you can insert. Like for example this one, then insert. And then also, if you want to insert table, you can insert table. And also, if you want also to insert clip art, you will click clip art. If there are available clip art in your personal computer. Next is we have page layout. As you can see, under page layout, we have margin, the color of this one, then the font, the color of the font, then the effects of the font. Margin, if you want it to be normal, narrow, click anywhere you want. Then also we have orientation. If you want this to be portraited, click portrait. And if you want this to be landscape, click landscape. It's up to you where you are preferred to. Next is the size. If you want the size of your paper is short, click A4. And also if you want it to be long, click letter. We have also columns. If you want columns to be more, click 2 or 3 or the others. And those are the basic asset of Microsoft Word. Thank you. Next we have, after Microsoft Word, we have Microsoft PowerPoint. Click the bottom start. You can see Microsoft PowerPoint. Then your monitor looks like this. So as you can see, click to add title. So if you're gonna make a report, then your title is Biosystem. Then write the word Biosystem. Then just like in Microsoft Word, you can see in the home portion, there are font style, font size, bold. If you want to be bold, the text. Then also we have italize and we have underline, just like in Microsoft Word. The other asset of my PowerPoint is this design. If you want your first slide, by the way, if you want to add more slide, click the home, then click the new slide, just like this one. Then there are varied types of slide. If you want it to be blank, click the blank. And if you want also only the title can be seen, click the title only. And also if you want title slide, just like this one figure, click the title slide and the other. So click this one. So you can see two slides. And if you want many more slides, you can also click new slide. Next is, let's go to design. So decide if you want to design your PowerPoint presentations like this one. So click if you want this design, or this one, or this one. Next is if you want to have a transition of your PowerPoint. So if you want it to be cut, just like this, fade, push, wipe, split, reveal. It's up to you if what kind of transition you want in your PowerPoint presentation. Next we have animation. If you want your word to be animated just like this one, so don't forget to highlight and then click the up here. Click also the fade, click fly in if you want, click float in if you want, then split if you want. It's up to you if what kind of animation you want. Then after, do not forget to, if you're done with doing your PowerPoint presentation, don't forget to click the file, then save as, then the file name of your PowerPoint presentation. Then if you want it to be saved in documents, click this documents, then save. Do not forget to save your input. But before that, if you want to play your PowerPoint presentation, click this portion, this one. It looks like this. That is the basic in PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.